guess what? Guess freaking what? I'm so excited. Oh my god. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Hold up. It's a big box. This one. Guess what's inside? 5, 4, 3. And I just saw my life flashed over my eyes just now. Girl, I woke up and I almost hit my head like in the wall, in the corner of the wall. Full speed, because I woke up and then I was rushing to leave the room and I tripped with the bag because I have a small room and I share it in. I saved myself, like I got like this. I don't know how to explain it. So yeah, and I didn't hit myself. It looks like I did, but I don't know. I woke up with this. It looks like an insect bite. I don't know what it is. And my skin is healing. And then but yeah, anyways. So this Amazon company, I don't know who it is, but hold up. I should just show the stuff first. So look, a ring light. I finally have a ring light. I needed a ring light so bad. I'm so excited. This is a ring fill light. Okay, it looks like that. It's small. Oops. So comes with this one. Okay. This phone. What is it? Oh, it's just to hold it up place. It's so small. Wow. Okay. Finally. Okay, on this. Is this a card? Oh, just okay, the next thing is this. I think it's a tripod. I forgot. Yeah, it was 2 things, a ring light and a tripod. Okay, oh, it's like styrofoam. I thought it was gonna be hard. No wonder it's cheap. But I don't care. It feels flimsy a little. Oh wow. See, you can see it. Eye level is short. Okay. And this to hold it in place. So, yeah. Wow. Well, it's okay. I got that for free. 2 items. It was the total of 30 something, but since I wanted it earlier, a day earlier or something, I had to pay $40 something. I will show the screenshots here. You know those people on Instagram that contact you and tell you, do you want a free item from Amazon? You just have to review it. That's it. We'll transfer you the money through PayPal, and then with that PayPal money, you have to buy it with at Amazon. Sorry. And then you receive it, you do a review on it, and then you put the actual review on the Amazon page where you bought it, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. And I've tried this 2 times, I think like 2018 or 19. The first thing I got was a pink purple pastel wig. I didn't really like it, but what's the other thing I got? Oh my gosh, I forgot. I forgot, but I got another thing, and it was a black hoodie, yeah, I think. Then the second time I did it, I accidentally, I don't know why, I put the review before I got it shipped, or too early, something like that. And Amazon found out real quick like that. And they emailed me, told me that, well, they found out that it was sent to me for free and it was not really legit, the review or something. I don't know. They find out everything. I don't know how. I guess a lot of people do it, and it's so obvious that they know. So if you do this, you have to wait a few days to write a review. So because Amazon couldn't let me review anymore. Took my account. I forgot how, it was a long time, but I think it was, they couldn't let me review. And what else? Oh my, I forgot, but I had to make a new Amazon account. I was like, oh my freaking goodness. Like, really? So then I stopped like 2-3 years with trying to do this again. And then I was like, I'm just gonna try. Because I really need a ring light and a tripod. I was like, girl, like, I need to get it. Like, if it's in front of me, I should, So I was like, I'm gonna try again. And this time I did, and it's legit. Look, I just got sent my stuff from Amazon, and they send you the money exactly. And don't forget, if you do it, you have to ask them to send you the PayPal fee money and the shipping money, because they're not gonna pay all of it, just mostly just an item. But what's the point of it being free if they don't pay the PayPal fee and the shipping, right? So you just tell them, and then they'll send you the money again until it's the right amount. I had to do it 3 times for this order because she forgot the shipping and the PayPal fee. She just sent me the exact amount of the items. So I was like, girl, but thankfully she was patient and she gave me all the money. She was not a fake or scammer. So, I don't know if y'all want to try, but I might ask her if y'all want the same, like, y'all want to review and get it sent for free. I don't know, but I'll see. I think she'll be like, yeah, sure, send them to me or whatever. Because I'm not working with them. I'm not a affiliate with them. I'm not a promoter. They just want you to write up Amazon for free, basically. And they're from China. I don't know how they get money. I guess, I don't know, for writing reviews on Amazon, making people pay and items and try it on Amazon. I don't know, it's weird. But they're usually all from another country. They're not from US. They're from Asia. I think it's China, but I don't know. I'm not sure. It's just Asia. Yeah, so in the next video, I'm gonna try and see how I'm gonna place the ring light because I don't have space here. But I'm so excited. Like, I probably also do a review for the next video. I just wanted to do an unboxing and just mention how you can get free stuff on Amazon, or not exactly Amazon, but somebody gets you free stuff from Amazon. And I have another company that DM'd me yesterday asking me for what I wanted, and she showed me pictures. And one thing, I was like, what is this? It was like a rose. It looked like a decoration, but without the stem. I was like, what is this? But then it looked like plastic, so I was like, it's a fake flower. And I was like, don't tell me it's like and then I asked her, and she was like, oh, it's a toy. And I was like, oh, I didn't know they sent these for free to review. I was like, oh, okay. It was a little funny. I'm not gonna review that, but I probably am gonna review like a waiver or I don't know, a hot standing too. I'm gonna try it probably. I don't know yet. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share with you. I'm so excited. Okay. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.